Hi everyone, this is Ms. Chrisman and this is your word study video for Thursday, May 28th. In our video today, we're going to keep working on using rhyming as a good strategy to help you know how to spell so many words. Let's get started. Yesterday we learned that if you know how to spell one word and then you know how to rhyme, you can write all the different words that rhyme with that word just by spelling the ending the same. We're going to do that same thing again today. So make sure you have something to write with and something to write on. At the top of your paper, the first word we're going to be rhyming with today is the word ace. At the top of your paper, write A-C-E. Ace. This is a good one to know because in this word CE says S. And if you know that, then you'll be able to write a lot of words. You ready? Underneath the word ace, write the word face. 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 Next, write the word race. 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 Next, write the word space. 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 Next, write the word trace. 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 And today I want to challenge you before we check our work to do one more thing. I want you to write one more word that rhymes with ace, face, race, space, and trace. It can be a real word or a made-up word. Okay, before we check our work together, check your work on your own and make sure all of these words rhyme with ace. They all have an ending just like ace. Okay, let's check your work. Let's read the words together. You can check them off while we're reading them. Ace, face, race, space, trace, and the last silly word I wrote is blace. That was the one that I made up. If you want to share the word that you made up or you want to share your writing, don't forget, you can send it to echristman@ebrook.org. The next word we're going to rhyme with is the word air. At the top of your paper, write the word air. A-I-R. You see today I'm picking words that are a little bit trickier of the spelling so that way, if you know how to spell air, then you can spell so many words that rhyme with it. So write the word air at the top of your paper. All of the words are going to rhyme with air, and they're all going to end with A-I-R. So get ready to write all these words that end with A-I-R. Ready? Write the word hair. Hair. Fair. Fair. Chair. Chair. Stare. Stare. Now I want you to come up with two more words that rhyme with air, hair, fair, chair, stare. Remember, they can be made up words or real words, but they're both going to end with A-I-R. Okay, remember if you need an extra second, you can pause this video, but I want you to take a second right now and first check your own work and make sure that all the words you wrote end with A-I-R. Air, air. Okay, let's check your work. Let's read the words together and you can check them off as we go. Air, hair, fair, chair, stare. What were the two extra words that you wrote? I made up two silly words. I wrote zare and smare. If you want to share your two words, remember you can send them to echristman@ebrook.org. Let's do the same thing with one more rhyming family. Okay, the last word we're going to rhyme with is the word out. At the top of your spot right here, write the word out. O-U-T, out. Remember, all of the words that we're going to write right now are going to end with this kind of tricky spelling. That's O-U-T, out. The first word is pout. 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 The next word is scout. Scout. Trout. Trout. Shout. Shout. Sprout. Sprout. Before you check your work, I want you to come up with one more word that rhymes with out, pout, scout, trout, shout, sprout, and write it on your paper now. It can be a real word or a made-up word. Okay, now I want you to check your own work and make sure that all of the words that you wrote end with O-U-T, out. So that way you know that they all rhyme. O-U-T, out. Now let's read your words together and you can check them off as we go. Out, pout, scout, trout, shout, sprout. And I wrote the word hout. If you want to share the extra word that you wrote, you can send it to me. So guys, today we really totally understand now that if you're trying to write a word and you're not exactly sure how to spell it, you can think of a word you know that it rhymes with, and then you can spell it with the same ending. This is such a good strategy for you to be able to spell so many words exactly right. I'm so proud of your hard work, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow.